Stand in front of the mirror, read once dua. Allah will change your life, inshallah ta'ala. Allah will change your life, inshallah ta'ala, inshallah ta'ala. There, my brother and sister, please subscribe my channel and follow me. That dua is this: Allahumma anta hassanta khalqi fahassin khuluqi. Say Subhanallah, Subhanallah. This dua is beautiful dua. I repeat, Allahumma anta hassanta khalqi fahassin khuluqi. Subhanallah. Many this is Allahumma, O Allah, hassanta khalqi. Just as you have made my appearance beautiful. Fahassin khuluqi. So made my character beautiful as well. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. There, my brother and sister, if your character is beautiful, your life will beautiful, inshallah ta'ala, and your family, your community also will beautiful, inshallah ta'ala. Therefore, when you stand in front of the mirror, read once dua, Allahumma anta hassanta khalqi fahassin khuluqi. And read astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah any times, always. Allah will forgive your all sins, inshallah ta'ala. Small sins Allah will forgive, big sins Allah will forgive, past sins Allah will forgive, future sins Allah will forgive, others new sins and old sins, all sins Allah will forgive, inshallah ta'ala. Because Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, Istaghfiru rabbakum innahu kana ghaffara. Istaghfiru rabbakum, seek forgiveness from your Lord. Innahu kana ghaffara. Indeed, He is perpetual forgiver. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. If you read Astaghfirullah one times from heart, Allah will forgive, inshallah ta'ala. Allah Almighty says in other version of Holy Quran, Yursilis samaa alaykum midrara. Allah will send rains from the sky, from the sky for you. Continue, Subhanallah. Wayumdidukum bi amwal, and Allah will give for you increase in wealth, wabanin and children. Wayaj'al lakum jannat, and Allah will provide for you gardens. Wayaj'al lakum anhara, and Allah will provide for you rivers. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. And Allah Almighty says in other version of the Quran, وَمَا كَانَ اللَّهُ لِيُعَذِّبَهُمْ وَهُمْ يَسْتَغْفِرُونَ. Allah would not punish upon people who are reading Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Subhanallah, Subhanallah.